Hello friends, welcome back to channel again. So there is today one news regarding Paytm. As you can see my screen, there is a news in the Paytm because we can see there is an increase in the Paytm stock, almost 5 to 7% increase in the Paytm stock. And why this all of a sudden increase in the Paytm stock, that is the news. And there are some mutual funds, almost 27 mutual funds and other foreign institutional investors have raised their stakes in the Paytm stock. Hence we are observing the up by 5 to 7%. So what is that news? Let us understand. We'll see one by one in next slides. This is the news, like Paytm shares surge over 5%. As this is the reason, as SEBI approves registration of Paytm Money as research analyst. So this is the news in the media. Talks about the SEBI approves the registration of Paytm Money as research analyst. Hence we are observing there is a upside in the Paytm, almost 5 to 7% in today's trading session. So what are those mutual funds and what is that holding? We'll see here. The share of 197 Communications, the parent company of Paytm, rose 5.40% in intraday trade on Tuesday, March 18 to 726 a piece after the company announced that its wholly owned subsidiary Paytm Money has received approval from the market regulator to act as a research analyst. So this is the news actually. Because of this we are observing the share price increase. So Paytm Money Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of 197 Communication Limited, has been granted a certificate of registration. Okay, Paytm Money Limited, wholly owned subsidiary of 197 Communication Limited, has been granted a certificate of registration as a research analyst by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, under the SEBI Research Analyst Regulations 2014. The registration number for Paytm Money Limited as a research analyst is, this is the number you can see, INH 00 like 40 20086. The company said in today's exchange filing. So because of this Paytm has given this notice to the SEBI regarding the they got the research analyst certification, research analyst registration certificate from the SEBI. Hence we are observing this increase in the stock price. With this registration, Paytm Money can offer SEBI compliant research services including investment insights, research reports and data driven analysis. Because of this certificate what Paytm has received from the SEBI, they can start giving services like research services including investment insight, research report and data driven analysis. Apart from that, this milestone aligns with Paytm Money's objective to expand its offering in the investment ecosystem, enhance user experience and provide expert backed insights to both retail and institutional investors. So these services will soon be integrated into the Paytm Money app as part of a research and advisory offering, empowering investors to make well informed financial decisions as said by the Paytm. And then the Indian financial services industry has been rapid growth in recent years and is expected to expand further as households increasingly turn to stock market to participate in India's growth story. So since there is a growing economy, Indian economy, there is a huge potential for stock market growth, economic growth, and hence many urban households in India have shifted from traditional investment such as bank deposits to stock investing, resulting in a sharp rise in the mutual fund inflows and a significant increase in new demat accounts. Apart from that, mobile trading has also playing a vital role, because mobile trading apps have attracted many young investors, and analysts expect the retail investor base, which has already expanded in recent years, to grow further in the coming years, so benefiting brokerage and asset management companies. And meanwhile, Paytm competitor PhonePe is reportedly set to enter Indian stock exchanges with an IPO valuation of 25 times sales for the year ended March 2024, uh, a multiple 6 times higher than Paytm, that is as per Reuters reported. So for context, Paytm debuted at 44 times sales in 2021. So stock tanks 30% in 2025. So here the company shares, which emerges as one of the best turnaround stock of 2024, have come under selling pressure in 2025 amid a sharp correction in the broader market, leading to a 30% decline in the current year so far. In early December, the stock crossed the 1000 mark, reaching 1062, a level last seen in somewhere in January 2022, and this resurgence was driven by improving business prospects across various segments, so which rejuvenated investor sentiment and bolstered confidence in the company's growth trajectory. In early March, the company received a notice from the enforcement director, that is ED, for the alleged violation of certain FEMA rules, foreign exchange management rules, by the company and its two subsidiaries. So meanwhile, mutual funds at the same time, meanwhile the mutual funds increased their stake in the company during the December quarter, and a total of 27 mutual funds collectively held an 11.20% stake in Paytm, equivalent to 7.14 crore shares at the end of Q3 of FY25. So this marks a notable increase from the 7.86 stake held at the end of September quarter. So according to the trendline shareholding data, so as per the trendline shareholding data, this is the major change in the holding of Paytm shares by the almost 27 mutual funds by the end of Q3 of FY25. Similarly, not only for mutual funds, similarly foreign investors also raised their stake in the company during the December quarter to 56.2%, up from 55.55% in September. So retail investors on the other hand trimmed their holdings to 31.9% in Q3 of FY25, which is down from 36% in the September quarter. So again, this is the brief and quick information about the Paytm stock, why that stock is increased 5 to 7% in today's training sessions. Hope you like the content. If you're liking the content on the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your family and friend, and thank you for watching. Thank you so much.